So it's just the 4 standards that will give us our calibration curve. So be careful just to highlight the first 4 rows. Once again, it's XY scatter with markers. And I'm going to display the trend line and more options. Now in this particular plot, we're going to set the intercept as 0. So you need to tick the set intercept to 0. That will enable the line to pass through the point 0, 0. Display the equation on chart, and we'll display an R-square value as well. So you will note here that the equation of the line is in the form of y equals mx, because we have the intercept set at 0. I'm also going to display the trend line so that it starts at the origin at the point 0, 0. To do that, I need to highlight the trend line, go back into more options, now on observing the data here, my first x value is 5, and that's where the first point is plotted for the trend line. I'm going to this forecast backward option, and I'm going to forecast backward 5 periods. That's the x value. That will take me back to x equals 0. And OK. Now that we see we have the trend line displaying back to 0, I'll now do the axis titles and the chart title. We have peak area as the y variable, because this is a chromatography analysis, and for the standards it is percent ethanol. And the chart title. Now that I have the equation of the line, which is the calibration data, I can calculate a peak area that would correspond to a beer sample at 4% ethanol, and similarly for the wine sample. So for the beer sample, it equals the slope of the line, 2432.5 times x. And enter. Now I can autofill down to complete for the wine sample. So just to highlight the cell in column C, note bottom corner we have the dark little square, which is called the grab handle. I will move my cursor till it changes to that shape, sitting over the grab handle. And now at left click, hold the click down and drag down, and the value for the wine sample is calculated accordingly. And that concludes the alcohol analysis.